Hey there DIYers, welcome back to the channel. So my wife has planted some watermelon and she got them started in these little starter pots, and it's been growing. And she came out this morning, was looking, and sure enough, it's like, hey, we've got some little baby watermelons. So there's a couple, and I got another one. Let's see, he's under here somewhere. Oh, there he is. So we're going to be putting these, I'm going to transplant them. I'm going to make her some riser beds out of landscaping timbers that I've left over from my fence that I was making. So let's get started. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to make these out of landscape timbers, and I've got leftovers from making my fence post along the lane where I'm cutting the tops off of them at a 45-degree angle. And I probably got about 2.5 to 3 feet of timber. I've got a few different piles of it. I've got a little pile here. I got a pile down there by the wheelbarrow. So here, I'll show you. So what I'm going to do, I don't have a diagram or anything. I just kind of got it in my head as to how I'm going to make these. And so I'm going to make them too high, and I'm just basically going to make a box. And because I've got these here, I'll just show you this one, because they are basically, you know, cut at a 45-degree angle on one side and then they're square on the other. Let me go ahead and, oh, well, that one's not so good. I'll get a few of them out here. Okay, get this so you can see on the ground a little better. Might have to do some trimming on some of these, but basically you get the idea. It's going to just be like that, and then of course I will be doing it too high. So you get the idea. So it's in essence going to be too high, and it'll just be we'll put a flooring on it. So I got just some wood paneling just to keep the dirt in so it won't fall through, because these are actually going to be up on the deck, and so don't want the dirt to go through the deck panels, just so it'll we don't want it to wash out. But that's in essence concept. She said she just wants one for now, so I'll go ahead and make one, and then I'm sure this one's going to be for the watermelon. And then she's just going to put potting soil in it. I'll give her a little bigger area to grow her stuff. So I'm sure once she likes this one, she's going to want more. So we'll just play it by ear how many she wants me to build. I've got tons of these boards, so I'll just build what she wants. Okay, I changed my mind just basically because these screws I have are, what size are these? They're 2.5 inches. Trying to go through this into the next one. It's just like it's too deep, so I'm gonna actually do this flat like this. I guess kind of like what you would do them in like right, just the way they're intended to be used. So when I put the screw in there, that's pretty much 2.5 inches. So then once it digs down in, I'll probably get another 3/4 inch, maybe an inch of it digging down into the next one. So it's like going to be on top of that one like that. So I'm going to build it too high like that, and then I'm going to put the screw in, and it'll secure down in there probably about like so. And it's going to be enough just to keep it secure, or, you know, together. It's not like there's going to be any force trying to push it apart. So I should be good with that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut these end pieces off. I got a tape measure so I can actually measure, make sure I'm getting them all the same size. So with that being said, I'll go ahead and see what the shortest one is here. Looks like 34 inches. So I will just cut. Yeah, I'll just cut this edge off. And I'll grab my gloves. Okay. I put my safety glasses on. Oh, that's not good on the saw. Dang. Survive. That's good. Okay. Just like that. So I guess it's going to be a 34-inch square. Come on now, tape measure, behave. 34, looks like right on the edge of that one too. Oh. Okay. Here's one set. We've got our 34-inch square. Now what we'll do is we'll make one side wider than the other. So I'll go 34 on one side, and I'll put these on the inside of that. Like so. Let's see. So I guess I'm gonna have to put the screws in like at an angle to go in. Yeah, that should do it. Okay. Okay. Just like that. That works. Let you have a better view here. Okay. Just like that. Yep, just like that. This is beautiful. Okay. Now I'll go get 4 more. That'll be my top piece, and then I just got to put the bottoms on. So let me go get those and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got my other 4 boards here. We can get them cut. Okay. Perfect. I think I'm only going to need 1 on each end. Oh, you can see what I'm doing over here. Try this again. Okay, that's good. 2 more. Okay. Last one. Okay. All right, now we got that. I just need to put some bottom boards on. So let me get those and I'll be right back. Go. All right. So I found some of these pickets that I had from some of the shorter sections of the fence that I had put together down along the lane. And so these are long enough. Actually, I can just put these across here like so. As long as it's just covering the bottom, I don't care that it's not even or anything. It's going to be on the underneath side, so you won't even be able to tell. So I'll just put all those on there, and they're just tight enough. It'll keep the soil in. We might even line the bottom of this thing with plastic just to keep them in. But this is in essence what I'm going to do. So let's get you over here so you can see a little better. All right. I just got some screws here. Yeah. And there you have it. That is riser bed for my wife's watermelon plants. So I'll go ahead and take that on up there. Actually, before I do, I'm gonna not power wash, but I'll just give it a good spray off, get all the outside dirt off of it. And Set it up there, and we'll get a finer pick, and then we'll be good. Eh. There we go. And with the wet, looks like a nice varnish. Looks pretty sharp. So I threw that together in what, 15-20 minutes? Less than a half hour anyway. So it looks pretty good. Now we'll go ahead and take it upstairs on the deck, and we'll get some dirt in it. See if the wife wants to go ahead and get this transplanted, and then we'll get a final picture. But if not, we'll just get a final picture with where we can end it. So, okay, wife approved, so she said I can go ahead and fill it up, so let's get to it. Heck, one bag just may be enough. Looks like. I don't think you're going to need that second bag. Yep, one bag will do it. All right, there we go. Then I'll let her do the transplanting, and then we'll show a final shot. Okay, so there we go. We got 3 transplanted watermelon plants, and she also put in a couple of thyme plants. And yeah, looks nice. She's happy. I'm happy she's happy. That makes me happy. So anyway, there's that. Looks pretty nice. And just do a quick little tour of her other little plants. She's got the deck all nice and flowery. Anyway, there you go. So there you have it, folks. If you like what I did here, please like and subscribe, comment below, tell me what you think about it, and if there's something you'd do different, I certainly appreciate it. Look to see you on the next video.